Hi everyone, this is Shauna from shauna.plans on Instagram and here on YouTube. So today we are going to talk about these. These are typewriter keyboards from Pink Punch Studio. They are so cool. I think they've been released in 3 colorways so far. I think pastel, muted, and jewel tone. And this is the jewel tone kit. So cool. I had actually, when I was talking to Rochelle about it, and she shared a link with me on Amazon. Okay, this is what they are. Can you see that all right? So you prop your, this was her inspiration. You prop your device on the little metal holder at the back. How cool is that? And then you can just type like a typewriter. And there's even a video. It's like, I don't want to show the whole thing. So like, this is not a sales ad for this keyboard. It's really expensive. But check it out. How cute is that, right? And look at all the lights. I think the lights might drive me crazy. Anyhow, so yeah, it's like $230. Anyway, so I just wanted to show you that first. This is like the inspiration, and that's how it's meant to be used. So let's go back to GoodNotes, and I'm going to turn my Wi-Fi off so nobody interrupts us. And we can play with these cool keyboards. So I'm going to grab this rainbow one and put it down. Now, I was playing with it a little before, and so I pulled up, here's the Pro kit, and I'm going to play with these 2 devices in the Pro kit. Sorry, mobile office kit. Pay attention to what I'm doing, Shauna. So you can just turn your iPad and just prop it up on the keyboard. And I find when you're doing it horizontal orientation, you don't even need to do any squishing or anything. It just looks perfect. I think if you were to use it portrait, to make it look realistic, you'd need to kind of scrunch it down in Procreate like we've done with some of the other images, just to make it look a bit more realistic, because you have to think we're doing top view and your device is going to be propped up a little bit. So let's go into Procreate real quick, and that image was on my clipboard. So first thing you always do is turn off your background color. And now, I haven't done this in a while, so I think we want to move it, and we just, nope, freeform, and just give it kind of a smush. And you can kind of pull, distort, I think. You can kind of pull your corners in just a little bit. So just play with these different freeform, distort, warp. And you can see now we have a bit of an angle to it. It's a bit more smushed, so it looks like it's more of a top view. So I'm just going to crop that down a little, and we'll go share, PNG, copy. And then let's go back, and you can see the difference we've made to this image now, just with a couple quick steps in Procreate. There's still lots of working room on it, but it gives it just a little bit more of a realistic effect if you were wanting to use it in an upright position. So another thing I was thinking would be fun, let's grab another keyboard. Let's grab the pink one. Actually, you know what? I'm going to grab the orange one. Oh, over here. Find a blank page. There we go. So these can be used with any monitor as a keyboard. So I was thinking if we took out the Pro kit, we could use it with the monitor and make a cute spread. I often put like a lamp or something up here to fill this space, but the monitor fits really nice and it makes sense that you would use it with the keyboard as well. And then you could just do your decorations like you normally do. I knew I was going to use this kit. I already had it opened, and I knew that there was this cute little goldfish, which is why I picked the orange keyboard, because I knew it would match. Look how cute that is. I haven't used a fishbowl in a while. These Pro kits are fantastic. They've got a little bit of everything. Maybe I'll put the wireless speaker on the other side. And you can use that same kind of smushing technique. That's my technical term, smushing. The smushing technique in Procreate to make something fit this screen as well. Or you can mask or, you know, do any of those other Procreate techniques that we've done in the past. But you can make a fun spread this way as well. I actually really like this. So I think I'm gonna finish this up. And make it my daily for today, because I have not done today's daily yet. So realistically, your keyboard is smaller than your monitor. So let's kind of be realistic there. Now I need to put my template on something. What can we grab really quick? Where are my clipboards? Sorry, my GoodNotes is a little bit laggy. Nope, I don't like that color. Maybe we'll just go with black. Yeah. Oops, this page. So this is one of the clipboard kits. I'm just going to build my clipboard here. And because of layers, I need to do a cut and a paste to put that as a layer above. And then we all saw it when I was scrolling here. I've already got a template ready to go. So we'll just paste that on the clipboard. This is fun. I haven't used the Pro Kit or a clipboard kit in a while. Actually, that's a lie. I think I used a clipboard from one of the accessory kits. Anyway, so now I need my wins. Gratitude. See, if I had one of those fancy keyboards, I could be using it right now. And today's date is Thursday, March 25th. Just turn my images off so I can grab just my text that I made. We'll center that on the page. And I think I'm going to use my little highlighter. So I have drawn a straight line turned on. Oops, and look, I've accidentally made a couple little highlighter dots. Okay, I want an orange. That should work. How big is that? So I'm going to pick the biggest circle. And so if I hold my line, it kind of snaps into a straight line. And then you can turn your images and your text boxes, because the highlighting counts as handwriting, and you can kind of just position it a little bit better if you don't like exactly how it worked out when it snapped into place. So we've got some basics here. I have an issue with my little clipboard. I had made little white boxes to cover up the sections I don't use, and when I resized it, I did not select them somehow. And now they're not where they're meant to be or the right size. So we'll just stretch those back into place. I could undo a whole bunch, but I should have noticed before I started messing around with the highlighter and the text boxes. I don't want to redo all of those. Okay. This is not okay, actually. This is terrible. Terrible. Why can't it be the way it was? It was so pretty. Sorry. Bear with me while I spend far too long centering these little boxes and making them perfect. Because that's what I do. Okay. Nope, not okay. I don't know if you guys can even tell what's bothering me, but I can see like the little ends of the lines from the grits and things. Okay, now we're happy. All right, so we've got our awesome little keyboard. I think I'm gonna tilt it just a smidge, just because I always keep this straight, so I have to tilt other things, just otherwise it just looks too set in place, which I don't really like. Oh, that's a mask that I have for if I wanted to put an image on the monitor. Okay, let's grab, I'll turn all my toggles back on. We'll grab some things to scatter on the desk here. And I think we need a pen. I love the diamond pens. I use them all the time. So, quick little spread inspired by the new keyboard. We can go back to this one too. And we could do the same thing. What was that? I was using the Berry mobile kit. We could finish off a spread with this as well. You guys have seen me use the mobile kits lots. I've been using them quite a bit lately. They're pretty fantastic. I like how this goes so cute with the rainbow typewriter, but you get the idea. So these new typewriters are pretty cool. There's so much you can do with them, and I mean, like you saw in that video we watched, you could even use the little cell phone and put it on the keyboard. I personally like it with the bigger iPad, but it also just makes a fun desk accessory as well. I feel like this was a super quick video, but look at that, we made like 1.5 spreads. I just need a couple little decor pieces for my clipboard here and I'm good to go. I'm loving orange. Oh my gosh, the orange and the greens, they are my thing right now. So before I go, I want to show off my cool nails. I did them on Sunday. I don't know, can you see? Is it focusing? Check out that glitter. It's got like, it looks like shattered glass pieces kind of in it. Stained glass maybe. I love it. I think this is one of my favorite manis that I have ever done. So anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you love these little typewriters as much as I do, and hopefully we'll be seeing the other color palettes appear in the shop soon. Tomorrow is release day, so hopefully there'll be something fun there for us. I know there will be. Who am I kidding? There's always something fun there. I have no idea what I'm going to do on Sunday yet, so I cannot give you any suggestions of what to be ready for. But I will definitely do something. So there's that. Anyway, have a great day, everyone. See you in a few days. Bye.